God.
No eat grass, Zeke.
Sticks, you're so tentative. Gypsy just wants to get Zeke something awful. Go get him! Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him!
Don't run in the poison ivy!
What the heck was that? Oh, that's Frosty. She did jump in. Yes, she did.
Hey, sweetie.
Eek. Abby, don't go too far that way, honey. Him? Well, that's not his species. It's just his hair coat. I thought you were talking about the other guys. Labs, it's supposed to. Hey!
Zeke! Hey, Zeke! Zeke!
Oh my gosh. You guys!
Hey!
We're swimming!
That's it!
Oh my God, what are they doing?
Zeke! 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 Zeke!
Zeke!
Zeke!
There you go. You still got it, man. I might not be as spry, but I know how to cut you off. Go on in, Gyps. Go on in. It's like one of the few floaty sticks, Zeke. You can't let it go. Oh, you freaking went right by it. Get it, Sticks. Abby, good girl.
Zeke! Zeke!
Abby, come here, Abs. Come on, Abby. Come on, Abby, stay up here with me, okay? Abby. Just mowing on grass.
There you go!
Boy, Gypsy's really... Oh, man, Gyps. So you're bathing all these dogs, right?
Not me.
Yeah, you.
But not me.
Get in there, get him, Gyps. Abby. She's just off doing her own thing. Good girl, Abby. Abby. Oh dear.
Get in with it. Oh, look at all that. Look at that slide.
Good girl, Abby. Good girl. Zeke?
Come on, this way. Back this
Over here.
Come on.
Come here, guys.
Come on, this
Abby's trying to get it away from him.
Come on. Give me a boost.
There you go, girl.
Oh, poor baby.
Come on, Abby. Come on, Abby. Abby, Abby, Abby. Come here. Come here, Abs. Oh, jeez. Come on, sweetie. Atta girl. Good girl. Why don't we come lay down? Oh, jeez.